Hey, and welcome to the MerchPond Fulfillment Center. The MerchPond platform is great for those that need fulfillment via Shopify, custom website, blog, or possibly even an application. In this video, I just want to run you through the system real quick, starting with your dashboard at the top, your designs. Here's the Add New Design Wizard. There's a template here. Select your art, walk through this system to put your art into our MerchPond Fulfillment Center. View All shows you all of the art that you have, and there's some sortability here. And with any of these pieces of product that you have or the art that you have, you can click into the design and you can add variations. Variations would be things like hoodies, ladies, long sleeve, whatever products you may have. And then there's a descriptive name for your benefit. There's also a design SKUs page. And the beauty of the design SKUs page is it gives you a full breakdown and the item SKU number. That SKU number is referenced when you're actually creating your import file. It's the number that tells our system what shirt you want and what size and so on. But moving right along, the order system is pretty straightforward as well. There's the import system. This is where you would import your actual orders. Once the art is loaded into the system, you simply create a CSV file, and there's a sample here, and this is what the sample file looks like. We're going to need you to specify the shipping address of where you want the shirt shipped to, an email address only if you want us to send an auto email with tracking information in it. The order ID over here is for your reference only. And the item SKU is, again, that SKU number that ties to your art and that your variation of your art and product. A size and then a quantity. It's pretty straightforward. Build that. Shopify can dump out a similar looking configuration. Have your web programmers build you something that does this, but this is the format. And once you do that, you can simply browse it off your computer. It'll upload it and validate it, loop over it, and it will give you shipping and quantity breakdowns here and give you either a percentage discount or flat rate depending on your negotiated price. Once that's done, you process it. It will go to your payments history, your order history page right here. You'll see the day your order came in. You can click here to fan out your orders. What's cool about that is it will show what shirts have shipped and what shirts have not shipped. And when they have shipped, it'll show you tracking number on each order. Payment IDs are here. Your original file you uploaded, your order count, transaction, and then the breakdown on your pricing that you paid. Your order history is simply to allow you to search for a customer by name. It will show you when that customer shirt was ordered, when it was sent, its status, tracking numbers, all that kind of good stuff for you to play customer service if you need to. Moving on to settings, login settings are pretty straightforward. Just let you change your settings to get in. Billing settings are the credit card that you want MerchPond to hit when we do the processing of your transaction. The fulfillment settings, and here's the difference, the fulfillment settings are the return addresses that are on the poly bags that your product ships out in. So if you check this no option, it by default will say something along the line of MerchPond fulfillment with our address. But if you select use your address, you put your business name, your city, your state, then we fulfill on your behalf, and if there's any mailing issues or returns, they would go right back to you. Now, help and support's pretty straightforward as well. It just links you back out to the public site with all the different character sets and the columns that we just talked about in that CSV file. These are the different requirements for this file here, as we talked about earlier. And then down below, some more details, naming conventions, things like that. Very helpful. And then sign out. That's pretty much the system. If you have any questions, definitely contact us at support@merchpond.com. Thanks.